Okay, good morning everybody. If you have a 1967 Cadillac Eldorado and you want to change the horizontal shocks and you don't want to pay the overpriced special made shocks that they try to sell online, I'm here to verify that the KYB gas shock absorber works fine. Here's the part number. It's actually a sturdy shock. It comes off of a Suzuki. This should show you how it lines up. There and there. So let me put it on. This is the shock that I'm replacing. I tried cleaning it up as best as possible. It's got a name, Plea Cell, and it has a part number 357-66. Just doesn't work out to anything on the internet. Maybe you can find something that I can't find, who knows. But this is the original part. Car only has 42,000 miles. 67 Cadillac Eldorado. There you go. This is the horizontal shock, the original one. Now remember, when you're taking off the shock, that the nut comes off on this side and the bolt comes off on this side. The nut's on the opposite side of this. All right, so here's the aftermath of this project. Just a quick tip. When you're using the inlets from the old ones, because the shocks doesn't come with inlets, make sure you use the same side of the inlet, because each inlet is a different size. One's bigger than the other, all right?